In June 2026, one of the most powerful figures in international justice found himself at the center of a global scandal. Karim Khan, the chief prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, was suspended amid allegations of sexual misconduct involving a staff member. The decision shocked the international legal community and raised serious questions about accountability, leadership, and trust in global justice institutions. But who is Karim Khan? What are the allegations? And why does this case matter so much? This is the full story behind one of the most controversial moments in the history of the International Criminal Court. To understand the importance of this case, we first need to understand the institution involved. The International Criminal Court, or ICC, is based in The Hague, Netherlands. It was created to prosecute individuals responsible for the world's most serious crimes, including genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and aggression. Unlike national courts, the ICC steps in when countries are unable or unwilling to prosecute such crimes themselves. Its mission is to ensure accountability at the highest level of international law. Because of this responsibility, the ICC plays a critical role in global justice and human rights enforcement. Karim Khan is a British international lawyer with decades of experience in human rights and war crimes cases. He was elected Chief Prosecutor of the International Criminal Court in 2021. As head of the Office of the Prosecutor, he was responsible for deciding which cases to investigate and prosecute. During his tenure, he led several high-profile international investigations involving war crimes and political leaders. Supporters described him as a strong voice for justice. Critics accused him of political bias and selective enforcement of international law. Regardless of perspective, he was widely seen as one of the most influential figures in global justice. That changed when serious allegations were made against him. Reports surfaced alleging that Karim Khan engaged in inappropriate conduct involving a member of his staff. The accusations included claims of sexual misconduct and abuse of authority. Because of his position, the allegations immediately triggered concern within the international legal community. An internal investigation was launched to examine the claims. As the situation developed, pressure increased from member states, legal experts, and human rights organizations. Many argued that the ICC must hold its own leaders to the same standards it applies to others. Others cautioned that due process must be fully respected before drawing conclusions. Karim Khan denied all allegations and stated that he would cooperate fully with any investigation. The case quickly became a major test of the ICC's credibility and internal accountability system. In June 2026, the governing bodies of the International Criminal Court took a major step. Karim Khan was suspended while member states reviewed the ongoing case. The suspension was not a criminal conviction. It was an administrative decision meant to preserve institutional integrity during the investigation. The move sparked intense global debate. Supporters of the suspension argued that no official should be above scrutiny, regardless of rank or reputation. Critics questioned whether enough evidence had been publicly established to justify such a significant action. The case highlighted the delicate balance between protecting institutional trust and ensuring fairness to the accused. This case is about more than one individual. It is about the credibility of the International Criminal Court itself. The ICC was created to hold the world's most powerful individuals accountable. For it to succeed, it must also demonstrate accountability within its own leadership. If trust in the institution weakens, its ability to enforce international justice could also be affected. The situation also raises broader global questions. How should international organizations handle allegations against senior leaders? What standards of evidence and procedure should apply? And how can institutions protect both fairness and accountability at the same time? These questions extend far beyond the ICC and into governments, corporations, and global organizations worldwide. The future of Karim Khan depends on the outcome of ongoing investigations and decisions by ICC member states. Several outcomes are possible. He may be cleared and reinstated. He may face disciplinary action. Or he may be permanently removed from office. Whatever the result, this case will likely influence how international organizations handle similar allegations in the future. The world is watching closely as the process unfolds. The suspension of Karim Khan marks a defining moment for the International Criminal Court. At its core, this is a story about accountability. Not only accountability for those accused of international crimes, but also accountability within the institutions that enforce justice. As the investigation continues, one principle remains essential: all allegations must be carefully examined, evidence must be evaluated fairly, and conclusions must be based on facts, not assumptions.